My name is Dylan Mire. I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I'm currently a third-year oral surgery resident at LSU in New Orleans. I came to this course to start learning about doing all-on-X implants, really to get an introduction and to kind of dip my toes in the water of all-on-X implants. So far, this has been one of the most informative experiences that I've had. I love both the lectures as well as the hands-on nature of the course and being able to physically put my hands on the instruments and the implants and get a feel for it. We've also just talked a lot about kind of practice management, and what it actually looks like to do these procedures in your office and how to talk about it with patients. So it's been a really unique and eye-opening experience. I think that this experience gives me more confidence to start, treatment planning and trying to work this into my clinical practice, and then certainly was such a positive experience. I would like to be able to have more training and continue to improve my knowledge and skills.